Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase savings accounts with CIT Bank, complete guide step by step clearly. To increase your savings with CIT Bank, start by researching their account options. Visit the CIT Bank website to explore their savings account offerings. Look for high-yield savings accounts to maximize your interest earnings. Examine the interest rates and account features available. Consider opening a CIT Bank money market account for flexible access and competitive rates. Once you've selected an account, click on the Open Account button. Complete the online application form with your personal information. Have your social security number, bank account details, and identification ready. Review the terms and conditions thoroughly before submitting your application. Fund your new savings account with an initial deposit to activate it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to encourage regular saving. Consider increasing your contributions during bonus periods or promotions offered by CIT Bank. Monitor your account regularly to track your savings growth and interest earned. Utilize CIT Bank's mobile app for easy management of your savings account. Be aware of any fees or withdrawal limits that may apply to your account. Take advantage of any educational resources provided by CIT Bank to enhance your financial literacy. Reassess your savings goals periodically and adjust contributions accordingly. Stay informed about changes in interest rates that may affect your savings growth. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your savings with CIT Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.